Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share a quick Myntra haul. I remember mentioning about it in one of my previous vlogs and a lot of you guys actually requested that I do a haul. If you haven't noticed, I haven't really done a lot of hauls lately, and it's because I haven't really bought a lot of stuff lately. I think the only time I shopped before this was through H&M, and I did do a very short IGTV video on all of the H&M things that I bought. And now again I did buy a few things from H&M, but those are mostly like underwears and stuff and socks. And then from Myntra I actually bought a lot of workout wear. So everything here is for my workout, and the only reason I actually went ahead and shopped and invested in all of these is because I have been working out quite a lot. My workout clothes are the only clothes that is getting a lot of wear and tear. They are getting washed a lot more often, plus I have lost inches and weight, so my older sports bras no longer fit me. I have lost a lot of inches on my bust area, so I had to go and invest in some good new sports bras. And also for me, I think spending on workout wear is like boosting my morale to go work out more. I don't know what it is about new workout clothes, it just motivates me so much. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into the haul. The first brand that I got the most amount of stuff is Nike. I love their stuff. The first thing is this sports bra. This is, I think, their most basic sports bra, and I got the size medium. With Nike, the sizes run a bit smaller than other brands you've tried, and for me it's always been like that. Whenever if I wear small with Nike, I get a medium. If I wear a medium, then with Nike I get a large. And I did have a sports bra from Nike before, and it was in the size large, so that's why I got the medium, and I'm so glad I got the medium. It fits me perfectly. It is super basic, very comfy, and has a great support. Next one from Nike is this running shorts. I really like Nike's bottom wear. I love their leggings. They are so comfortable. The leggings I'm actually wearing right now is from Nike as well, like this floral print one is from Nike, and I really like it. Like I said, the size runs a bit small with Nike, and I got the extra small because that's what I usually buy with shorts, and this one is definitely a bit tight for me, but it works nonetheless. And lastly, I got this pair of shoes. Now these are not running shoes, they are proper training shoes, and I have been looking for good training shoes. The ones that I had before were from Puma, and I really liked it, but I needed something new. Work out so often that I need to put my shoe to wash, and it takes time and days for the shoe to completely dry up, because I'm obviously not going to put the shoe in the washing machine and let it dry there, because that could ruin the shape, and I needed another one to kind of wear when the other one is in the wash, and this pair was on sale. These are proper training shoes. They are not running shoes, they're not walking shoes. So I do a lot of body weight training, a lot of weighted squats, and I need my feet to be completely flat on the ground, and these shoes really help with that. They are not too soft, they are just the right amount of firmness, so it gives quite a lot of good support. And I love that it comes with a band on top, so that kind of keeps my foot on the ground really well. It fits really snugly, and I am very happy with this. Next I got 3 more sports bras, and they're all from the brand called Under Armour. I have heard a lot of good things about the brand, but I have never really tried their stuff, so I decided to go and get me some. The first one is actually really pretty. It's a very basic one, but I loved the color, this soft dusty pink color, and the brand's name is in orange, so it really stands out. I really like the color combination. Comes with a cross back and has a great support. This is a padded sports bra. Next I have their Subse basic sports bra. Got this in black color. This one is not padded, so it is a very comfortable sports bra. It has a medium support. It does not have as much support as this one. This I would wear mostly for yoga or things where or like just weight training where I'm not jumping a lot, because this is very comfortable. Also comes with an interesting back detail. And the last one I got solely because of the color. It's such a beautiful neon orange and also has a very interesting cutout in the back. Again, not a really high support bra. I would again wear this just for my yoga or on days that I'm weight training and not jumping and not doing any functional training. And lastly, I got this very basic sports bra from Enamor, and when I first opened it, I was like, is this even going to fit me? This looks so small. I got it in the size small, but I didn't expect it to be this small. But then I wore it and it strangely fit me. And the second thing I thought was that this was going to be totally see-through, but strangely it wasn't see-through. And I think this is the cheapest thing that I got, and the reason why I got it is because I wanted something plain white, and I did eye on a few other plain white ones, and they were expensive, and I had already spent so much on these Under Armour sports bras. Why are sports bras so expensive? But I was like, you know what, let me try on an inexpensive white one, and it has a good medium support as well, so I could totally wear this on days that I'm doing yoga. I would not wear this for high intensity stuff. And that's everything. That was my quick short little haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and all of these sports bras actually felt really nice, are very comfortable, and I would highly recommend if you're looking for a new one. I was actually going through all of the reviews on the app in itself just to make sure that I was buying good quality ones, and all of them ended up being really nice. So that's it for this haul video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys are enjoying all of my videos in the Deptender series, and I don't want you to miss out on any more videos, so please make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!